Hey guys, welcome back to MyNiagaraGarden. Today we're going to be taking care of this giant unruly red raspberry bush. It's an everbearing raspberry, so it produces every July and every September. Now it's time to get rid of those July bearing canes so that the September bearing canes can have more light to be able to produce a bigger harvest in September. I've got my long sleeves on, I've got my gloves ready to go because it's going to get prickly in there.
Oh, and one more thing. If you stick around till the end of the video, I've got a great tip on how you can get tons of raspberry plants for free for all of your friends and family.
From the other side of the raspberries, you can see that I've already started cutting away the brown canes. So down here, you can see a difference between this year's new canes are the green ones and the brown ones are from last year. Okay, so the way an everbearing works is last year's canes bear their fruit in July, and this year's canes bear fruit in September. Now we keep those through the winter, and those ones bear next July, and then they die. So the dead ones from this year are going to come out because we don't need them anymore, and it'll provide more light for the canes in September. So it's the next day, and I meant to keep filming, but there's a serious wind and rainstorm coming, so I tied up all of the good canes to the T-bars, and we're gonna have to do this tomorrow. Temporarily batten down the hatches. Hey guys, we're back. We got some nice clear calm weather now, we can get back to work. So in between, I've gone ahead and I've amended the bed with some nice, fresh, well broken down compost so these guys can drink up the nutrients. So now that we have those July canes out of here, there's not much left to do. We just have to box them in with some jute twine and let the September canes grow. All right, here we have it. I know it looks a little sparse in there right now because we don't have the July canes in there, but this should fill out nicely. It's gonna have more air and soil and nutrients and sun to have a good harvest in September. And then these canes will overwinter and they will give us a raspberry harvest next July. And now for that extra tip you guys have been waiting for. A healthy raspberry bush will be prolific when it comes to sending its roots out horizontally underground and sending shoots up to propagate itself. Here is an example. This is the stone path of my garden, and through the landscaping fabric and through the pea gravel, we have a raspberry shoot. This is one of the smaller ones. I've taken out dozens this year, but I give them to family and friends. If you come over here, you'll see another one in our white currant, a very healthy raspberry shoot right here. It's about 2 feet tall, so you could easily pull that out and transplant it to a friend's garden or to your own garden and be able to give away raspberry plants to friends and family. So that's it for raspberry pruning this year. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up down below and maybe hit that subscribe button so you can see future videos. So until next time, this is Ryan from MyNiagaraGarden. I know it looks a little sparse in there without the July. All right, that's it for raspberry. So I've amended this. No. It's really, there's really nothing to it.